Myself, Mahesh Shinde. My company name is DMS. As you see, this is our stall, and we are into POP per se and fixtures, display units, dispensers, what you can see around wherever you move your camera. And we are based out of Bombay, and we have our own design cell and we have a manufacturing unit as well. So we design, conceptualize, design, and execute stuff that a brand wants to do at the retail space. Okay, trying to get innovative, trying to get different styles, and working across materials. And this was good for us because we won 4 awards, 4 golds and 3 merits as well. So it's been a good platform. This is the first time we are participating, so we thought let's do it good. We are only a 5-year-old company, so we are first focusing on setting our footprint right. And after that, this time we thought it's high time that people know, what DMS is into. Clients should know, and that we have arrived. So here we are. We have some domestic clients as well, but most of them are MNCs. Like you see, we have L'Oreal, we have Fruit of the Loom, which is also a US-based company. Mattel Toys is our client, Barbie doll and other stuff. So they are also US-based. But local clients, VIP is there, and Fun School is there. They are actually again MNCs. Fun School is has a national tie-up, but we are doing some local work as well. But the kind of stuff that we are trying to deliver, the high-end stuff, the finish that we are trying to look at, is more expected from the MNCs who are actually looking at that level of finish. Turnout has also been good. Very select people have come in. We don't have a crowd which has been just browsing around doing window shopping. There have been good clients. There have been good queries. Delhi is also a good market, so we are Bombay based, like I told you, and people like good brands, let me not mention them, but they have been coming around browsing and fixing up meets for near future. So it's been good. We wanted a few clients, 5-6 clients, to just visit our stall, the best ones. They have been here. So it's been, at least I'm satisfied. See, we work across pan India in terms of that. So where that exhibition should be is not really a concern, okay, as far as it's got those the audience I'm looking at. And in terms of what else did you ask me? So in terms of size, I'll do what the stuff that we do calls for a big size. Okay, we need to showcase the stuff. I'm not into small hangers and tabletops prima facie. You see these kind of units which we are doing, they need space and they need to be showcased well the way we have put it. See, I'll do what we are really trying to work on the quality of our resources in terms of our people. Okay, the team is who delivers. I drive it, but then it's ultimately the team. So we have some good designers, some good visualizers who think out of the box. Okay, the client gives a brief and we try to think in tangents and give him options which probably he had not briefed as well, and then we play around with it and come out with a good option which is different for to stand out at the retail space. After that is making a proto and production. At that levels, we have stringent norms at the factory level and throughout the operations team, wherein at least our place, not even one small piece goes out if it's got some problem in it. Okay, so that is where we are trying to work on. We are very select about our clients, the kind of finish that we are delivering, and we want to deliver that. And we are new, so we want to stay for long. So we are not trying to play around with trying to play around with stuff and other stuff.